Okay, so we're back at the E82. Before I put on the cowl and all the beauty pieces, I need to find that vacuum hose. And I also need to install my aftermarket catch can and do some deleting. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but first I need to take off the intake manifold. I don't have any extra hardware. I need to find an upgrade for that anyway, because I got big plans for this engine. It's not gonna be able to withstand what I got coming. So wish me luck, and let's get into it. Okay, so the intake manifold is out. Don't ask me how I did it. Just know I did it. Just know it's done, okay? This is, I'm not gonna lie, it's f***ing stupid, okay? If you try to take this out, if you were able to take it out without giving up, kudos to you. Do not put that back. Put it on the side or something. I don't know what you would do. I know what I'm finna do though. I'm finding somewhere else. It's not getting connected back to this motherfucker. I know that for sure, because it's coming. Bitch, it's not even permanent for real. It's temporary. But I do need to get back here and connect and do what I need to do with my oil catch can. Let's get back to what we need to do. Bow. I mean, the reason why I took the intake off is because back here, what broke off was this, right? This part right here broke off. But I'm hoping that some of this hose is still good enough for me to slip this motherfucker in, you know what I mean? Like slip it in and cut a little piece off so I can mount this piece, which I probably gonna have to switch out because I don't have my braces, my strut braces, my stock strut braces anymore. So this is not gonna work. So like I was saying, I'm probably going to need to use this and mount it on like my firewall or something, somewhere in that area, right? But I need to see and cut this so I can fit this in there. Yeah, what the? Okay, so I got everything installed. I got the pipe hooked up temporarily because I need a longer pipe to get the actual catch can installed, because there's literally like nowhere for me to put it and it being easily accessible and for me to actually make sense of even installing it. I thought the pipe was gonna be long enough to get it at least like in this vicinity, at least, but I guess I'll shit out of luck. So I temporarily installed that pipe onto the thing that I broke, fixing it basically. But I'm gonna have to wait for that. Possibly I'm gonna install it as soon as I get a new intake manifold for better flow and possibly a cold air intake. I'm gonna go ahead, finish putting everything back on. Intake manifold is on, everything is plugged up, except for the MAF sensor, the airflow sensor, whatever you want to call it, because it's not even in the car yet, man. You know what I mean? I still gotta put this back right here. So after I do this, I'm gonna go ahead, reprogram my Valvetronic, because I have yet to do that. Hopefully I can do it without. Okay, so we're back at the BMW E82, aka the end of the world build. If you guys tuned into the first episode, I finally got my spark plugs in, so I'll also be changing those. The first episode, we changed the valve cover and upgraded it to a metal one and got rid of the plastic. I have not put the cowl back on, you know, last episode we left it off as that because I was waiting for those to show up. So now I already disconnected the battery, just I learned my lesson from my executive decision. Every time I do anything electrical or related to electrical anything, that is coming off. The battery is being disconnected. Valve cover, we already seen in the last episode. Coil packs. And this job is not that hard. All I gotta do is, that's one coil pack. Yeah, since this is basically the only thing I'm doing in the video, because I am high key. Next video after this, I am going to do some cosmetic work and try to fix my alignment. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do all the YouTube stuff. I'm gonna see if this can fit in that hole. That's what she said. If you made it this far into the video, you might as well go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you haven't done it already. But let's get back into the video. Let's see if this shit fit. Damn, it don't fit. So, I do got a plan B to that. Okay, so I found a socket that fit. Hopefully, I got enough extensions to extend. And let's go ahead and get this first spark plug. Okay. Twist it a little bit, since it's rubber. Oh, this shit actually fucking worked. Damn. It was supposed to look like that. Before and after. Let me make sure these numbers match up. Okay, so the ones that were in my engine are not meant for my engine, and the ones that I bought are actually meant for my engine. These are the premium version. These are the bullshit version, and these are the premium version. So after the quick ChatGPT research session, finding out I had the wrong spark plugs in my car the entire time, it gave me a little bit more clarity that once I actually get everything back into my car, that the engine will run smoother than it was. But as you would see later in the video, my car had other plans. We got all the spark plugs changed out, all the coil packs back in the car. And here are all of the old spark plugs. Does this look normal, or am I tripping? I know this one damn near burnt it off. So with those being changed out, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and see if I still feel the vibration. And this is the moment we've all been waiting for, to see if it runs smooth or not. In that clip, if you listen closely to the engine, you can hear it missing a cylinder. And if you pay closer attention to the video itself, you can see my door actually shaking due to the vibration of. So it's safe to say we might have a bigger problem on our hands. Okay, so one thing I forgot about this shit, in order to do what I just did, I have to twist this all the way to the right. Hopefully I ain't break shit, but this shit is metal. So I already twisted it all the way to the right, so I'm finna plug this back in. This just made it, the reason why I unplugged this just to make it easier to get to that. So now I'm finna go ahead, plug the battery back in. Now what I'm gonna do is get back in here, right? Plug this back in. Oh, I'm not starting it. I gotta remember that. It's in the on position. Gotta do this quick. Service. Yeah, service, drivetrain, engine electrical components, adjustment functions, learn Valvetronic. So it should actually do it now. I think it just did it. So now, it shouldn't run rough, bro. It shouldn't run rough. Unplug it. Turn car off. Give it 5. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. So I should be straight. But if not, I'm gonna cry. And video coming soon. I do got something for these. This outdated shit. I got something for that. And probably in the same video, I'm gonna go ahead. I already did like a little like wipe off ceramic coat, but it didn't really work. It kind of messed my stuff. Let's hear it start, man. Let's hear it start. Let's hear it start, bro. Please, 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 please. My check engine light is off. I think that might be my check. Okay, hold on. I might gotta clean my airflow sensor. Because I did take it off, and I did just throw it on the ground. I actually might gotta clean my airflow sensor. Cause I don't have it. I have a radiator light on because you know I broke it, obviously. But my check engine light is not on. I want to give it a rev, but I don't want to break it, bro. Matter of fact, like it's still running rough, bro. Oh, there you go. There you go. All right. I'm gonna probably end the video here. Hold on. But I just want to see. I just want to see. I just want to see what pop up, bro. I just want to see what pop up on the scanner, bro. One code found. Cylinder 6, Misfire, single cylinder 6. Misfire detected. Cylinder 6? Is that the front or the back of the engine?